Yeah, go buddy. This is a really fun small 16 skill. Nice. Woo! So I think I might be coming down with something. It is MJX madness. It's a real sickness. They are multiplying like crazy, with the newest being this H16 monster truck. Now this one caught my eye, especially because of the color scheme it comes in. I couldn't help myself. I really needed it. Oh yeah. That is nice. Now included with your monster truck, there's a manual. It is highly detailed. It's a really nice manual. It also includes a wheelie bar, USB charger, some wheel nuts, spare screws, and I think there might be a stronger, maybe servo saver spring there. I'm not too sure, but that's what it looks like. Extra body clips, zip ties, and double-sided tape, and some tools, a Phillips and your wheel wrench. No clipless body on this one, but that's okay. Can't have clipless on everything. Ooh, we got a hidden package over here. Wonder what that can be. Feels like a spare battery. So yes, this comes with 2 batteries, one in the truck, and these are 2S 2000 mAh lithium ion batteries. A Mass Dean's connector, high quality. It's always nice to see the battery strapped with a nylon strap. The ESC is a new 45 amp, and it supposedly has no delays. You got a standalone receiver, a 2845 4200 kV brushless motor with a nice big fan. The servo has a nice chunky arm, and that's probably where your spring goes. Oil-filled shocks. They are adjustable. Nice LED light bar in the front bumper, and super thick chunky CVDs front and rear. These are really nice. The tires feel great. They're super soft. They should be ultra grippy, but hopefully this thing won't traction roll too much with them. I have the older version here. As you can see, the shock towers on a new version are way chunkier. Check out the chassis. You can see this one is a lot thicker than that one, that's for sure. Big difference there. Now the suspension on this one has a lot more travel than this. This barely has any. This has a lot. So I can't wait to see how well this drives over the older version. Nothing like fall time in New England, that's for sure. All right, we're gonna do a quick speed run with this thing, see how it does. Plenty of space here. This H16 does have MJX's newest transmitter. Very nice radio run transmitter, foam wheel, sporty look. This transmitter has all your steering and throttle trims along with steering and throttle dual rates, so that is very nice for the price point. Let's turn the RC on. Let's see if that LED light works. All right, that is very nice. Pulley pins. All right, let's see what it did. Stop read, 25 miles an hour, not too bad. Pretty sure the 14208 does about the same. So that's pretty good for this RC at this price point. All right, now we're gonna switch over to a 3S battery. This is my brand new CNHL 2200 mAh 3S battery, Black Series. This thing should really open this RC up. So let's find out what it does with this. As you can see, the battery fits perfectly in there. So I really like these new chassis with these nylon straps. You can fit really nice fat 3S batteries in there. Whoa. Wow. This thing has some get up. Oh. Whoa. All right, gotta be easy on the brakes. Oh. pins. We went into the grass. It is on its wheels, so that's good. Fully pinned. Woo! Definitely wakes it up. Whoa, back into the grass. All right, guess I gotta give it a little bit more space. That was only half trigger. Woo! Oh, oh, brakes are touchy. Whoa, this thing almost did a standing backflip. That was full throttle too. Let's ease it away. Yeah. A lot of dogs around here. We're gonna wait until it moves away from us. Yeah, this thing almost does a standing backflip. That's insane. Yeah, go buddy. Coming in fully hot. Dude, this thing is sick. Gotta be very gentle on the brakes. All right, stop read. 42 miles an hour, nice, dude. This thing is definitely faster than 14208. That is for sure. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. You're good. Freaking beast, man. Wow, what an animal. Nice, dude. Whoa, almost did a double off that tree. This is a really fun small 16 skill. Nice. Skims right through it. Nice. No, no. All right, that's enough of that. I do not want to sink this thing, that's for sure. Woo! Ouch. That was not good. Still alive? All we did is knock out some pins out of the receiver, but this thing is still good. No problem. Yeah. Dude, this thing's an animal. Has no problem in its grass. Well, that didn't go as planned. I nailed that pole. I was gonna fly by through here. Yeah, you can say that was a really hard hit if it did that. I don't blame the body for cracking whatsoever. Man, damn, I'm surprised it took it. Jeez. Go, baby, go. That back wheel either has some water in it or deglued, but that's all right. We're gonna keep on going. Nice. Nice. Oh, saved it. Woo! Nice. Oh. Dude, this thing's an awesome truck. Nice. Nice. Oh, man. Dude, awesome control. Oh. Oh, man, how's this thing going still? Looks like I spoke too soon. Broke a control arm. Or a tie rod end. Yep. Nope, didn't break it, it just pulled out. No, we didn't break it. It just unscrewed itself. So this thing's technically not broken yet, but it did unscrew the steering link from the arm.